Alright guys, welcome back to Nifty Network. Today we are going to be removing the shift knob and the shift bezel on a G35 G37 sedan. Let's get to it. Alright, so when we are removing the shift bezel and the shift knob, we're going to come right here, we're going to slide this little boot down, no tools needed, and then you're going to see a clip in here. Grab your pick and pull it back. Sometimes you have to release it from the front. Like that, and don't annihilate your finger with your pick. Don't lose that either. And then the shift knob just comes up, and then you're going to put two fingers in here, or one finger, or two fingers, and lift it up. Kind of just do a little wiggle, and it'll pop loose from the front. You may have to put the car into neutral to do that, so make sure that your e-brake is on, like that. And to get the car into neutral without turning the car on and doing that, just reach under it and you're gonna see a white square under here, and you're gonna push that down, and that will allow you to go into neutral because you need that in order to come back. Here's that button that I was talking about. So if you just reach your hand on the back side of the shifter, you'll feel like a little square that you can press in, and that allows you to move the shifter wherever you want. And then there's gonna be two plugs back here. One that plugs into the shift mechanism itself, the shifter, and then one more plug right there. And there you go, your shift knob and your shift bezel is removed on your G35 and G37 sedan.